Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn on the safe mode on TikTok. So in here, I've already on my TikTok app. So if you want to protect your TikTok experience, you can try to turning on the safe mode to filter sensitive content on TikTok. So here, what you need to do is just go to your profile and click on the three lines icon at the top right corner and then go to the settings and privacy on your TikTok. Then tap on the privacy options, and in here you can just scroll down and tap on this direct messages, and you'll see here under the safety tools section there is the safe mode. So if you enable the safe mode, TikTok will filter or a message containing sensitive content and from potentially unsafe sources will be filtered by TikTok. So filter it will filtered by TikTok, and it will filter until you reply to them. So you can just turn it on and your TikTok will be in the safe mode. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.